Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shortcut Key. In this video we are going to cover with objectives of management. It is an important part of this chapter, and in the previous two videos we had covered definition, features, nature and significance of management. So let's get started. Objectives generally means the goals or any kind of aims which a manager sets. So first, there are three types of objectives. So first one is organizational objectives or economic objectives. These are set in welfare of business or for the business. What are the aims of a manager is known as organizational objectives. First is profit. It is a most important objective, because without profit any further dealings or any further affairs are impossible in a firm. So profit generally means the amount or income after distribution of salaries and all the liabilities. Second is survival. It says that how a company can survive in market in competition with other companies in the same field is known as survival. It is also an important part, because if a firm survives in the market, then profits are automatically achieved. So last is growth. Growth means the increase of profits or manpower or any kind of resources. How the company is developing step by step is known as growth. It is also an important part. These three are most important organizational objectives. A firm may set many objectives in accordance with the type of their business. So next is social objectives. First one is to provide equal opportunities for differently abled, equal job opportunities for differently abled. It means that in a society, differently abled people have less chance of getting job opportunities in accordance with the normal people. So a firm should not see whether he have any disability or not. The firm should see only the profile of their education and how they can perform in the business activity. Second, a firm should ensure that their production process should not harm the environment. Means a production process, whatever the production process may be, it should not create any kind of pollution or any kind of harm to the environment, because environment is an important part of an management. Every raw material a business is arrived from environment only. So environment should not be polluted because of any kind of production process. And the third one is to conduct any kind of social welfare programs for women or children or any kind of socially backward classes, because if a firm does such kind of programs, it will be a benefit for them in increasing their profits, as well as in good bonds from the people who are benefited through them. Third is personal objectives. We have to see whether employees are satisfied with our managing or not, and these are most important personal objectives for which an employee or a manager expects from the firm. So first is financial support. He might expect some better salary, and second is clean and better working conditions, because every employee wants to work in a clean environment with joyful premises, and the premises should not be untidy. Third is promotions and appreciations. Means if a person works perfectly, then the manager should appreciate him and should promote him in a better job, because every employee wants a level of appreciation from the firm. So, and the last one is freedom of decision making, it means that an employee expects that if he decides something to do, he should be get freedom to do it. Thank you.